Hello, I'm Hasitha, a cloud support engineer here at the AWS office in Auckland, New Zealand. Today, I'm going to show you how to install AWS CloudFormation helper scripts on Ubuntu or RHEL on Amazon machine images. Let's get started. For the purpose of this demo, I have downloaded the script from Ubuntu to my local computer and then upload the template to the infrastructure composer in CloudFormation. You can find the other templates via the resource link in the article. This script creates a systemd service that automatically starts the CFN helper daemon at a boot time. It is important to make a system dependency of an existing boot target, such as a multi-user target. Now let's define the user data property of the Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud instance. This will download and install the required packages. Here is an example. Let me explain the key components. The CFN int help script reads the template metadata from the AWS CloudFormation int key. It can run commands, create config files, and install packages. The CFN signal helper script signal the CloudFormation to show whether this instance was successfully created or updated. The CFN hub helper is a daemon that detects the changes in the resource metadata and runs the user-specific actions when change is detected. This UserData script runs CFN int and creates the necessary configuration files for CFN hub. Now let's look at the creation policy. The creation policy tells the CloudFormation to wait for a signal from the instance before it decides that the resource creation complete. It will wait up to 10 minutes for one success signal. Now let's look at the metadata section. Now I will deploy it through the AWS CloudFormation console. As you can see, the stack creation is complete. To verify the CFN hub service started successfully, we can use SSH or connect to the instance and run this command. In this situation, I will use connect. To verify that the CFN hub service started successfully, we can use SSH or connect to the instance and run this command. And I'm running this command to verify it's working. So I can see the active state, which is saying running. So now you know how to install AWS CloudFormation helper scripts on Ubuntu or RHEL on Amazon machine images. Thanks for watching and happy cloud computing from all of us here at AWS.